Well, there are two things to consider in order to see how the system helps the environment. On the one hand, we do save a lot of paper because all the process is paperless. All the negotiation is made through e-communication, so we do save a lot of time, a lot of paper, and a lot of travel, which is very good for the environment.
The system is very, very flexible. I think it's one of the main advantages of, for me as a system administrator, it's the flexibility. We can change almost anything, like the layout of the forms, the following order of the fields, even the help texts. We can show or hide fields. We can indicate whether they are mandatory or not. It's really fun to use. And another advantage is that the email traffic between the users and the suppliers is automatically translated. So a user can work in his own language, and when an email is sent, the supplier receives the information in his language, which makes it really easy to negotiate, of course, and it opens possibilities. CASNET also developed some visual features to make it more easy for us to visually to work with the system, like little symbols of forms that are locked or unlocked, different colors and everything. It's really easy and fun to use.
Let's say that first when CASNET talked about an internet system, we were a little bit afraid. But we can see now that after 5 years, with all the security that was put into the system, we can say that it's really safe. We work online in a cloud application, but we had never any problem of security, no hacking, no problems, and even our own risk management team looked for the whole system and is very fond of the system and knows that it's a really safe system that we can rely on.
The system can handle a multi-format and a multi-channel business, what we are, with the different sites, which is Planet, Brico Depot, Brico City, and of course the Brico stores. So you don't have to retype everything in that system, so it can be used for every format and also multi-channel. The second thing is the follow-up with the suppliers is really easy. Thirdly, the supplier can help us in a confidential way to fill in the data. So it's not internally we have to fill in the data, the supplier can also help us, and it's also secure.
Well, the benefits for us in working with cloud computing is that we don't have to do any investments anymore. Everything is delivered by the company, in this case CASNET. It's very flexible. If we have to add some extra power or disk space or whatever, then we just ask. It's part of the fee, and we can agree about the terms and the conditions of the contract. So it's for us a very flexible solution. In the 4, 5, 6 years we have been working with CASNET, one of the big advantages of working with CASNET is it's small and therefore also a very reliable and flexible partner. We have always had a really reactive and proactive way of working. If we needed something, there was always a response within a couple of hours, even a couple of days. It depended on the question we asked, and even in a proactive way, CASNET came forward with solutions for improvement, for future enhancements on the technical and on a functional level. So it's for us a really good experience having been working with CASNET for now I think already 6 years, if I'm not mistaken.